Hello guys! Welcome back my Illustrator tutorial. How to create 3D text. As you can see now. Okay, start work. Type as you like.
Text same background color.
I am using new version 2023. Follow same methods. Click Object. Click Expand Appearance. Right-click. Click Ungroup. Again Ungroup. Shift selected text. Select white color. Shortcut Control to select lock. All select. Control CF. Copy paste. Color black. Duplicate move text backside. Little more left side. Change capacity 50%. Got to filter. Click Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur level 27 pixel. You can choose whatever you want. Select rectangle tool. Color your choice. I am chose white. Click curvature tool. White shape move text backside. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe.